Okay, this is a conceptual model for natural selection. Populations tend to increase exponentially while the resources in Earth's environment are finite. There is a struggle for survival. So there is phenotypic variation based on genetic inheritance among individuals in a population, with some phenotypes providing a survival or reproductive advantage over others based on selection forces within the environment. Individuals that are naturally selected to survive are able to reproduce, passing on their genes and traits to the next generation. Artificial selection is when humans breed for desirable traits, facilitating the reproduction of genotypes that the humans want.